Hey y'all, it's Randy at tekRESCUE, and today I'm going to show you how to get your Dropbox to selectively sync certain folders to your computer. It's a pretty easy process, so let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, I'm going to assume that you already have Dropbox, and I'm doing this video from a Mac, so you may get to the Dropbox settings slightly different if you're on Windows, but it's the same basic idea. So if you're on a Mac, you'll want to find the Dropbox icon up here near the top, and if you'll click on it, then select over on the side right here where it says, well, actually has a settings icon, so click on that, and then open up preferences. So when you open up preferences, you'll see this box right here, and you want to go over to the sync tab, and that will open up your sync options. So basically, to tell it what folders to sync, you go to sync options, you click on choose folders to sync. This will pop up a list of all of your folders. The ones that are checked are currently syncing right now to your computer. So if I uncheck this box for downloads and then click update, then it's going to remove that folder from my computer. You can see right here it's syncing right now. It's got the little swirly that says it's syncing, and that will remove that folder from my computer. And it says updating, and you're not able to make any changes to that while it says updating. Something that you need to keep in mind when you use Selective Sync, if you add any new folders to your Dropbox, even if you have Selective Sync and you have like one or two folders that you normally have synced to your computer, if new folders are added to your Dropbox, whether it's on another computer or on the cloud, those folders are going to be automatically added and they're going to be automatically checked in Selective Sync. So what I like to do is periodically, maybe once a month or once every few weeks or so, but whatever works for you. Periodically, I like to go into these settings and I like to go through the list of boxes that are checked, folders that are checked to sync to my computer, and the new ones that I don't want on my computer, I go ahead and uncheck. This is a MacBook Air. I think it's a 128 gigabyte hard drive. I also run like 3 versions of Windows on here in parallels, or 2 versions of Windows and one version of Unix, Linux. So I don't really have any extra space. So I have to get on here every so often, and I adjust folders that are syncing. So this is done. So if I go back into here, I'll look and see. So right now, the AAA downloads is gone. And I noticed this is a new folder that I don't want synced to my computer. This is a folder I was using because I had a phone that was using some of that, and I created it on my Windows computer. And so, yeah, and here's another one that I don't need on my computer right now. So I'm going to uncheck that and click update, because those were added not by me, but they were new folders that came along after I had selected Selective Sync on this computer. So pretty simple stuff. We really appreciate you guys watching our videos. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to put them down below, and also subscribe and hit that notification bell to get a notification of when we post new videos. Thanks a lot. Y'all have a great day.